So, this is my project of slowness. So when I was thinking about what I was going to do for this project, I was thinking about what people do in order to get that same feeling of slowness. And I realized, sadly, that a lot of times, in America especially, a lot of people just take drugs and pills and prescriptions in order to fall asleep or relax, anti-anxiety, stuff like that. And I figured that my mom could really benefit from an alternative. So I modeled my alternative after pills, but so this is the bottle, and you open it, take out one of these pills, the gel capsules, and once you open one of these gel capsules, they hold little prompts. And some of them, depending on the color of the prompt, they can tell you if you're supposed to write something, you're supposed to perform an activity, or if you're supposed to, or if they're gratitude, if they're like a little thank you note. And yeah, so this one, for example, is write a thank you note for to someone for something that they did today. Today is underlined. And yeah, the idea is that she would take one of these in the evening and then go to sleep like a little baby, just like she would do with her ambien. I hope it works. Stay tuned.